So Ronaldo just played his 5th straight World Cup match without scoring. Portugal drew 1-1 with the DR Congo. DR Congo, their first World Cup since 1974. And somewhere in the middle of watching that disaster unfold, instead of being a normal football fan and just being sad about it, I had the brilliant idea to build my own World Cup predictor and simulation engine. Stay till the end because there are some genuinely funny predictions here. At the whiteboard now. So to build any prediction model, a respectable one at least, you will need data, quite a lot of it. Then you clean that data up. That's called pre-processing and feature engineering. Then feed that data into a machine learning model and simulation and get the results. And you are done. Easy. Scraping FIFA's site directly wasn't happening. Would have taken forever. So we use Kaggle. And I found it. A dataset of every international football match from 1872 to 2026. Genuinely incredible dataset. Saved me probably a week of work. Now I just needed ELO ratings for every qualified team in the World Cup. So I built my own ELO system. I got the feature engineering ready and created new columns like win rate, last 5 games form, goals scored, ELO difference, pre-match expectation and goals conceded. For the ELO system, I used the same formula chess uses, and then I controlled the weights and point of each competition manually. And then I nerfed the Nations League, Arab Cup and Gold Cup. Buffed the Asian World Cup qualifiers because they have to play many games to qualify. Feature engineering done. Time to run the model. There are 3 types of machine learning models: logistic regression, XGBoost and random forest. I went with the random forest classifier. It's like asking 100 football analysts to predict a match and then going with the majority. It got a 68% accuracy on match outcomes. That sounds low, but it's not. Vegas averages around 65% on football. We beat Vegas with a free dataset and a weekend. The model is trained with the little help of AI. Let's see who wins after 10,000 simulations. We have Group A Mexico, Group B Switzerland, Group C Brazil, Group D USA, Group E Germany, Group F Netherlands, Group G Belgium, Group H Spain, Group I France, Group J Argentina, Group K Portugal, and finally Group L England. Skipping the boring stuff, let's talk about who actually wins. According to the random forest model, Spain is winning the World Cup, though it's not 2010 anymore, followed by Argentina and France. But guess where my favorite team Portugal is? That's right, they are in the 5th. Honestly, I want Portugal to win. Ronaldo at least deserves one World Cup. So the top 5 countries to win are Spain, Argentina, France, Brazil and Portugal. The disappointing teams are Colombia, Netherlands and Japan. This is the probability graph for each team. And that's it. I think my prediction is going to be correct if I am being honest, but we will find out. The code's on GitHub if you want to mess with it yourself. I haven't slept properly since this World Cup started. Going to go fix that now. See you.